This is Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and today we would like to show how you can set Opera as your default app for browsing on this device. So first of all, you need to launch the settings. In here, enter the apps category. Next, go for the default apps, browser app, and at the default browser app page, select Opera by tapping on it. There is also the second way around, which you can execute directly from the Opera application. So let's launch it. At the bottom right corner, tap on your avatar, then go for settings by tapping on this cog icon. After that, you gotta scroll the page down for a little bit until you'll be able to find the default browser section. Then click next, select Opera, and choose to set this default option. And both of those ways ensure that you have successfully installed the Opera as your default app for browsing on this device. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.